Night audit procedures in a hotel. The importance of night audit in hotel operations. Night audit is a vital end-of-day process in hotel management where financial activities and transactions are reviewed and verified. It ensures accurate records, help detect discrepancies, and prepares the hotel for the next business day. So this night audit checks all the daily financial transactions in the hotel to ensure everything is accurate before starting a new business day. For example, if a guest paid cash for dinner, the night audit confirms it recorded correctly in the system. So let's proceed to objectives of night audit. First, verify daily transactions. The night audit's goal is to confirm that all revenue has been captured correctly, all payments are accounted for, and that the system is ready for a new day of operations. So it is check if all sales and payments are recorded. Example, confirms that a guest payment for room service is posted correctly. Second, balance guest and non-guest account. The night audit ensures accurate revenue posting by reconciling all guest and non-guest account. So it ensures all guest and hotel department accounts match. For example, check if laundry service charges are posted to the correct room or walk-in customer. Next, generate end-of-day reports. Reports help management review performance, identify any issues, and prepare for decision making. So this one creates a financial summaries for management review. For example, make it a report showing total income from rooms, food, and other services. So last in objectives, it ensures accurate revenue posting. The night audit verifies that all charges and payments have been recorded properly in a hotel's financial system. So it verifies all earnings are recorded properly. For example, double check if credit card payment from the restaurant are in the system. Let's proceed to when does night audit happen. So start 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. Night audit usually happens during the quietest hour of the night, allowing the staff to perform check without disrupting guest service. So it is done late at night during quiet hours. So for example, while most guests are asleep, the audit starts to avoid interruptions. Next, after all transactions, the night audit is conducted after all daily transactions are completed, ensuring a comprehensive review of the day's activities. So it begins only when the business day ends. Example, wait until the last restaurant bill is settled. So the next one, performed by night auditor. The night auditor is primarily responsible for conducting the audit with support from front desk agent and security personnel as needed. So it is the main task handled by the night auditor. For example, a staff member trained to review and balance the hotel's accounts. And there are 3 roles and responsibilities. First, night auditor. The night auditor is primarily responsible for the audit, ensuring accuracy and completeness of the hotel's financial records. So it is to review the transactions, create reports, and roll over system. Example, check if all room charges are posted and starts a new business day. Second, front desk agent. Front desk agents may assist the night auditor with various tasks such as verifying guest folios and balancing transactions. So, it is to assist with checking guest folios and transactions. Example, helps verify a guest bill with the night auditor. And the last one, security officer. Security personnel can provide support to the night audit team, ensuring a safe and secure environment during the process. So, it keeps the hotel safe during the night audit loss. Example, monitors the lobby while the audit is in the process. So there are also steps in the night audit procedures. First, complete all guest posting. The night auditor verifies that all guest charges and payments have been properly recorded in the hotel system. So it is to ensure that all guest payment and charges are recorded. So for example, confirms minibar charges are added to guest folios. So next, verify room rates and taxes. The auditor checks that the correct room rates and applicable taxes have been applied to each guest folio. So, check if correct prices and taxes were applied. Example, make sure the promo rate was used correctly. Next, check and correct folios. The night auditor reviews each guest folio to identify and correct any discrepancies or errors. So, it is to fix billings errors. Example, remove a duplicate laundry charge. And next, balance cash and credit card transactions. The night audit ensures that all cash and credit card payment have been properly recorded and reconciled. And so, it is to match the cash and card amount with system records. For example, confirms the cash drawer amount matches to recorded sales. And next, post any pending charges. The auditor identifies and posts any outstanding charges to the appropriate guest or non-guest accounts. So it adds any charges that weren't entered during the day. For example, adds a late room service charge missed earlier. So next, run audit reports. The night audit generated a series of reports to provide management with a comprehensive overview of the day's financial activities. So this one prints reports showing sales, payments, and occupancy. So example, creates a report for the manager on room revenue. And next, backup system data. The night audit process includes backing up the hotel's financial data to ensure the integrity and security of the records. So it is to save financial records for security. For example, stores the day's transactions in the hotel's backup system. And lastly, rule over the system to the new day. After completing all the necessary check and verifications, the night auditor transitions the hotel system to the next business day. So it prepares the hotel system for the next day. So example, changes the system date from April 24 to April 25.
So types of reports generated. So first is daily revenue report. So this report provides a detailed breakdown of the hotel's revenue sources, including room sales, food and beverage, and other charges. So it summarizes all revenue earned by the hotel in a single day from a various departments. So this may include room revenue, food and beverage sales, spa, laundry, and etc. So next is manager's report. So the manager's report summarizes the hotel's overall performance, including occupancy rates, average daily rates, and revenue per available room. So this is a comprehensive overview for management, including operations, occupancy, revenue, guest feedback, and staff issues. So this may include key performance indicators, guest complaints, and maintenance issue. So next is guest ledger report. So the guest ledger report tracks all transactions of each individual's guest, ensuring accurate billing and record keeping. So next is cashier report. So cashier report reconciles all cash and credit and card transactions, verifying the accuracy of the hotel's financial records. This is a record of all cash transactions and reconciles the cashier drawer at the end of a shift day. So this may include cash collected, credit card payments, refunds, discounts, and discrepancies. So next is no-show and arrival report. So this report tracks guests who did not show up for their reservation and those who arrived late, helping the hotel optimize its room inventory and staffing. So this is the list expected guests who did not arrive or no-shows and those who have checked in, helps in follow-up and revenue analysis. So this may include guest name, reservation, details, reasons for no-show, and arrival time. Common issues encountered. So first is unposted charges. The night auditor must identify and correct any charges that have not been properly posted to guest or non-guest accounts. So charges for service used by a guest are not recorded in their folio or the system due to oversight or system failure. So the impact of these issues are revenue loss and guest disputes at checkout. So next is systems errors. The night audit process may uncover any technical issues or glitches in the hotel's property management system that need to be addressed. So the technical glitches in the property management systems or POS system can cause data loss, duplicate entries, or delays. So the impact of these issues are operational delays, billing errors, and guest dissatisfaction. So next is incorrect rates or folios. The night auditor must carefully review each guest folio to identify and correct any discrepancies in room rates or other charges. So, the wrong room rate is applied or the guest folio contains error like duplicate charges or incorrect taxes. So, the impact of these issues are disputes at checkout, reputation damage, and financial discrepancies. So next is guest complaints or late check-ins. The night audit team may need to address any guest issues or concerns that arise during the overnight hours, such as late check-ins or complaints. So, guests may arrive late due to travel issues or complain about service, room conditions, or staff behavior. So, the impact of these issues are negative reviews, loss of repeat business, or compensation expenses. Tools and systems used. So, first is property management systems, PMS. So the hotel's property management system, such as Opera or Cloudbeds, plays a crucial role in the night audit process, providing a centralized platform for managing guest data, transactions, and reporting. So next is POS system. Point of sale system integrated with the PMS help the night auditor reconcile all food, beverage, and other non-room revenue transactions. Next is Excel or audit logbooks. So some hotels may also utilize Excel spreadsheets or physical audit logbooks to supplement the PMS and ensure a comprehensive record of the night audit process. Importance of accuracy. So first is prevent revenue loss. Accurate night audits help the hotel avoid financial discrepancies and potential revenue leakage. Next is maintain guest trust. Precise billing and record keeping during the night audit process contribute to a positive guest experience and build long-term trust. Next is support smooth daily operations. So accurate night audits lay the groundwork for efficient daily operations, allowing the hotel to focus on delivering exceptional guest service. So next is ensures compliance and accountability. The night audit's diligent documentation and reporting support the hotel financial compliance and overall business accountability. Conclusion: night audit, dissatisfaction and compliance issue. The night audit is truly the backbone of daily hotel accounting, ensuring a smooth transition from one business day to the next. And that's all for our report.